Hey everyone, welcome back to DelphStack Tech Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert a PDF file into PowerPoint slides. It is a very quick and easy step without losing any formatting. So what I'm going to do first is show you the quick method we often try. I'm just going to the media and dragging my file into PowerPoint. You'll see that this file cannot be supported by PowerPoint. So there is one tool we can use, which is called Adobe Acrobat. With this tool, we will convert the PDF file into PowerPoint slides. First, we need to go to Google Chrome. Then I will type here, convert PDF into PowerPoint slides, Adobe Acrobat. I'm giving you a very short and quick tutorial doing every step in front of you so you won't be confused. Scroll down and click this option, and now you will see this page pop up. Click on Select a File and choose the file you want to convert. I'm selecting the file now, and it will take a few moments to convert. Just a few seconds more. As you can see, it is still converting. Now it's done. The file has already been converted and you can download it from here. Click on download and it will take just a few more moments. The file is already downloaded and now you can open it from here. So this is it. You can convert your PDF files into PowerPoint slides. You can enable editing and make changes as needed. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to DelphStack Tech Tutorials for more easy tech guides. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.